Do you know how the Japanese turn abandoned Ukrainian shell casings into knives worth thousands of dollars? First, they cut open the shell casings and place them into a high-temperature furnace heated to over 1100 degrees Celsius, where the metal is heated until it glows red and softens. Since this type of steel is extremely hard and cannot be forged by hand, it must be hammered using a mechanical forging press exerting more than 15 tons of pressure. During forging, the craftsmen constantly adjust the position and angle of the steel. To make handling easier, they weld a temporary handle onto the shell casing. After that, the steel is reheated until glowing red and forged again with the machine. This process not only strengthens the steel's hardness, but also helps remove internal impurities. The steel is repeatedly hammered until it is flattened. Next, the craftsman precisely cuts the shape of the knife tip and checks the entire blade to ensure it is straight and flawless. Once confirmed, a cutting machine is used to remove the excess tail section. Afterward, the knife blank is taken to a grinding wheel for polishing. This step requires great patience and skill from the craftsman. During the initial grind, the blade edge must not be ground too thin in order to allow room for later processing. The next step is critical. The blade is reheated and then quickly quenched in oil. This quenching process significantly increases the blade's strength and hardness. Once quenched, the blade undergoes a second round of fine grinding. By this point, it's impossible to tell that the knife was once an abandoned shell casing. Finally, a handle is installed and the blade is sharpened, completing the transformation into an incredibly sharp tuna knife. To test the blade's sharpness, the craftsman slices through a piece of fresh tuna. Would you like a refined knife like this, transformed from a shell casing?